Namaste from TechRaman, this is Lashmajan and I have here the Vivo V9. Vivo V9 runs on Android Oreo with a fun touch UI layered upon. In this video, I am going to talk about the Vivo V9 features, tips and tricks you can avail on this device. The Vivo V9 comes with the on-screen navigation buttons, but if you don't want this, you can opt for navigation gestures. So when you choose the navigation gestures, you have three lines like this on the bottom and you can use gesture actions to navigate through the device. If you are a serious gamer, there is a game mode, and in the game mode you can add the games which you want to enable on the game mode. And when you open the games, it asks for the game mode and you can choose the options for an undisturbed play. So basically this is like a D&D mode while gaming. The V9 comes with a motorbike mode when you are driving, so you can enable it, and if there is an incoming call, it auto rejects the call, and you can opt to send an SMS stating that you are driving, or you can allow some calls that can bypass this reject option. And there is also access speed before answering, so when enabled, incoming calls will not get through when you are riding at higher than 10 kilometers per hour. And if there is some repeated calls, maybe due to some emergency, you can opt this option so that you will be notified that there is a call. Vivo V9 comes with a fingerprint sensor at the rear, and the fingerprint sensor works neat. You can also secure your apps with the fingerprint sensor. The V9 also comes with a face recognition feature and it works decently well. It also allows you to secure your apps with your face. So yes, if you secure your apps, you can unlock the apps with your face. The battery mode has a low power mode and a super power saving mode. So when your battery is really down, you can opt for the super saving mode, which turns your phone like this. It sticks to the basic things like clock, contacts, phone and messages, and your other stuff like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or data, if enabled, it will be turned off so that you can get the maximum use of the battery in the emergency time. There is an easy mode. So easy mode is more like a quick access to certain tasks. So you can enable it over here and you get a round dial like this, which can be moved at the edges of the screen, and you can get a quick access to various features like notification, silent mode, home screen, control center, and you can also customize the menu. You can add or remove certain elements from this dial. V9 also offers Face Beauty for video call. So if you are on a Messenger or WhatsApp video call, you can enable this Face Beauty so it gets a live beauty mode while you are at the call. There is something called flash notification, and when you enable it, if there is an incoming call, the flashlight at the rear blinks. Call recording option is also found in the V9, and you can choose to record all the calls, or you can make a custom list with certain numbers that will be recorded automatically. There is something called air operation or air gesture, so when you wave your palm above the device, you can get access to the notification as well as the time. There is a feature called shake to turn on the flashlight. So when you want to quickly access the flashlight without unlocking the phone, you can just shake it and the flashlight turns on. V9 also supports app twin or app clone, whatever you may call it, so you can duplicate apps like Facebook, Messenger and WhatsApp. So you can have two apps in the same phone. The phone also has a feature called tilt to zoom pictures, so you can zoom the picture by just tilting the device. There is also a feature called Smart Call, and it offers options like Smart Call, Smart Answer, Smart Switch, Smart Mute and waves to hand-free with a gesture. The phone also supports double tap to turn off the screen, and very importantly, there is an option called Raise to Wake. When the phone is lying on the table with the screen off, you can just lift the phone to turn on the screen. This really comes handy when you have added the face recognition, so you can just lift the phone and it detects his face and it unlocks the screen. The phone also supports split screen, and you can use the three fingers to do a split screen action. It also supports one hand mode. There is an option called Smart Click, and if you long press the volume down button when the screen is off, and it launches a certain apps, so you can choose the apps which you want to launch quickly by long pressing the volume down button. So these are the various features, tips and tricks. Do let me know which is your favorite feature among these. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmajan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.